Good morning. Today I'm pressure washing a property in St. Catharines. But first I gotta kind of get ready. Gotta put my boots on. Booties. Keep your feet dry. Nice and clean, nice and dry. So today's going to be a pretty simple one. It's just a straight pad. I'll take a few pictures as I go. And all I'm going to use today is the old wand with the, this one here takes your toe off. I've run it across my foot once. Didn't feel so good. Gotta hold faithful here. So I use a 3400 PSI pressure washer, 2.4 gallons per minute. Works awesome. Got this. Got my protective ear wear. Let's go. So I've started in on this one already, and this is what I've done so far. There to there. You can see the huge difference. But I'm going to do a little bit of recording while I do that one there, so you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. Move the stuff out of the way. You can tell I'm a little bit older. I don't want to say older. I'm not in my 20s anymore. You can tell because every time I lift something, I got to make that noise.